What's up guys, Shamil here, new auto glass, working on the '03 Ford Focus. This was replaced before and they had a glass, SJC glass, that's all I'm gonna say. And there's a rust buildup under the glass. And the way I fixed this, yesterday I went to Harbor Freight and I got this kit. I think it was like $5, different metal brushes for the drill. I will brush this off, grind this off as much as I can. Well, proper way to do it is take it to the body shop, but since you can't take it to the body shop, we gotta fix it on the spot. I will grind this off to the metal. Now the metal is exposed, and then I will prime this, and after I prime it, I will put a bead and smear it, so this way the glue will lay from this end to this end. This way the glue has a wider grip, because the rust goes under the glue. And if you have a small bead like this, it's gonna go through it faster. So I want this to last longer. I will smear the glue. I will show you how I do it. So let's start the video. I'll go with a bigger brush, so this way I have always a pinch weld, so I'm not scratching. This small one is a little too small for this, because my drill will hit the side. Gotta be careful with the metal brush. It's gonna get stuck on your sleeve. It's gonna hurt yourself. Alright, so this is looking a lot better now. Most of it is off. Can't get it off 100% because rust is gonna come back. But this will give her a longer lifespan for the glue. Less chances of leaking, plus doing a better job. Now I gotta vacuum all this, clean it, and when it comes to this, I don't charge people for this because this surface is damaged already. I just clean it myself, take a couple pictures, and I show it to the customer, tell them there was rust, I clean it, but if it leaks, it's not my fault, it's the previous installer that didn't prime it. And that's why you want to prime, because it's gonna rust if you don't prime it. All right, let's vacuum it and prime it and take it from there. Primed it, there you go, it's all black all the way across. I did a video about how I primed the pinch weld. Now if there was no rust, nothing like that, I just do touch-ups. I will link the video in the description if you want to see how I do that. But here's definitely you want to prime it as much as you can. If primer comes up a little bit higher, it's fine. It's better to have a little bit primer than rust and leak. So '03, no matter what color it is, old or new, still want to do a good job. Customer is paying for the service, so you have to provide the service. Alright, so I applied a little bit of urethane. Now what I'll do is smear it all the way across. This way the urethane has a wider grip and longer lifespan. Wear gloves, don't touch urethane with hands, don't contaminate it. There you go, just spread it around. And since this is the bad side, I'm only gonna do it here. Little patches over there, little spots over there I won't touch. This is the bad side, so there you go. Now what happens is urethane has a grip from here to here, almost an inch, and if the rusts are coming back, it will have to go through all that. And this will give a longer of a lifespan for the glue and before it'll leak again. Oh, 2003 Ford Focus windshield replaced. And if you work on auto glass for a while now, you know one thing with this Ford Focus: if you don't get the car light glass aftermarket, doesn't like to sit on properly. And I got the Marcy tape. What is it? ME4400 silver tape. This thing is holding this thing in place while this glue is drying. It's a Dow Express, and this thing doesn't stretch. It's a very strong glue tape. Definitely good if you gotta adjust it in, you know, one of these windshields and it doesn't want to sit properly. So that tape will hold it in place without stretching, because this windshield was replaced and these things on the other side are broken off, so I gotta hold it with tape. Alright, so windshield was set with Pro Set, urethane express, cleaned, grinded off rust, primed with 5504, and that's it. Oh, I also got a GT Tools suction cup. It's very strong suction cup, but in the cold weather sometimes you gotta play with it because the rubber is a little thick. Thank you for watching, guys. Use Marcy. Great tape. Use Marcy tape. Thank you for watching, and please let me know how you would handle this situation with the rust. What do you do? Do you charge people? Because like I said, I don't charge people for this. I clean it, prime it, add an extra glue on the side where it's required, and I tell the customer that the warranty is not available for this job because this was already damaged. So if it leaks, this is not due to bad installation, this is due to bad installation before me, not because of me. Thank you guys, and you guys have a good day.